Good morning, Mamba How. It's about what, 10:30, 11, I think, getting there, almost lunchtime. Well, you won't believe it. I never thought we'd get this cleaned out. It's just take too many people, but with 20 people, 4 days of work, plus the Echo Warriors hit this once mid-September. Believe it or not, we're finally down to dirt. And I got a whole bunch of nice looking birds of paradise plants. I think I'll drop in here. They're real hardy. They bush out nice and they look good. Maybe keep the people from throwing garbage in. But yeah, what a workout, man. 4 days of this. I'm exhausted. And there's Mount Mamba How. Jesse came by in the LGU truck and he says, I can't fit that in my little truck. They're going to have to come by with the big boy. Yeah, we're finishing up here now. So it's lunchtime. We're going to regroup over at the jeepney terminal this afternoon.